Hey everyone, Adam here from the KP Movement Institute. This exercise is the Supine Hooklying T8 Extension from the Postural Restoration Institute. We're going to start off with our client lying supine onto the ground. Knees are going to be bent a little bit more than 90 degrees. So we got a little bit more than 90-degree bend here. And we're going to have the feet elevated. Something that's going to be solid and about 2 to 3 inches off the ground will be great. So here we've got some yoga blocks. You could use a foam pad or even a small box would be useful for you. Here what we're going to do is we're going to integrate some lower body motion with the rib cage as well and get the serratus anterior active during this. So what we're going to have our client do is we're going to do 2 breaths in each position. Typically we can do 3 to 4 during this, but we're just going to do 2 right now. So we're going to have our client inhale low into the belly and pelvis, and then as they exhale, they're going to try to breathe out and pull that rib cage down. I'm going to take another big inhale, not allowing that rib cage to move, and then exhale all that air out again. We're going to do 1 more breath in. Then on our exhale, we're going to think about just peeling that tailbone off the ground a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to hold here. We're going to take a couple breaths just to feel this position. Okay, entire time making sure as we exhale, we're pulling that rib cage down. Okay. From here, we're now going to exhale, bring the arms up, and we're going to really reach away from us. So reaching all the way up to the ceiling, trying to get that serratus anterior active. So elbows should be locked. We should be really reaching for that ceiling. And we're just going to do our inhales and exhales here. Okay, 2. Good. Now we're going to move up to about 45 degrees here. We're going to do our inhales nice and low towards the belly pelvis. Exhale, pull that rib cage down. Okay, now you can use some different positions for your client. We're just going to go here 90 degrees, and we're going to go up, and then we're going to go all the way over top of the head. So big inhale low, exhale, pull that rib cage down, inhale, and then pull that rib cage down. Good. And let's slowly bring our arms down and hips down to relax. So what you would do here is you would have done a little bit of a test for overhead motion, and if we needed some thoracic spine rotation, this would be a really good exercise just to reorientate the rib cage and pelvis, down-regulate a little bit of the psoas major as an example, and get that serratus anterior working a little bit better for us for overhead motion.